All right, so we're going to unbox this. This is a classic 80 series non-programmable thermostat. It's a 1F86344 heat cool. And that is it. It's Emerson, but it's actually really a White and Rodgers. So inside of here, basically all you get is the thermostat, and you get a couple screws and a couple anchors. I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you can see the interior of it. It does come with 2 batteries, and so we're going to attempt to connect this to our wall because I think our other thermostat is broken. So we're going to do that today. So we're just going to leave it here for now, and then we're going to go ahead and put it up on the wall. Now if you look, you're going to see in here is where you put your connections. There's a yellow, there's a O, there's a green, there's your white, and then there's your hot, your RH, which is connected to the RC here. So what I'm thinking is that I've got 4 wires. I got a white wire, I got a red wire. So I'm pretty sure my white's going to go there, my red's going to go there. My yellow is going to go here in this yellow for Y, and my green where it says G. So you can see it. My yellow will go there where it says Y, and my green there. So I've got white up top, red where these are, and then I'm going to go yellow and green. And I think I should be able to install this, and it should work. First thing, I got to turn off the breaker. So this is the one that I'm going to take off. I'm just going to go ahead and pop this off. You can see it's 85 up here. So here I can see that I've got my red, which is my hot wire, my white, which is that one there. There's my yellow, and there's my green right there. So I just have to flip 4 wires. I've got to take it out here, unscrew it there, and I can screw the new one in. And hopefully it's going to work. We'll see. All right, this is a 20-year-old thermostat. You can see there's my hot, my red, there's my white, there's my yellow, and my green is down here. So I really only have 4 wires that I've got to change. You're going to see that they're Phillips head, or are they? Let's take a look. Yeah, those are Phillips heads. So I'm going to use a small Phillips head screwdriver on both of these. I think you can see it there. And I don't think it's going to be that hard to fix or to replace. I'm hoping that I can go red, white, yellow, green right on here. And as you can see, there's the white at the top. The red's right here. I just got to connect it to one of those. My yellow is right there and my green's there. And all you got to do is shove them in and tighten them down. So that should be pretty easy. Cross your fingers. All right, so what I got to do first is come out here to the panel. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn off the air conditioning unit right here. And if you look right here, you're going to see here's my AC. I'm going to turn that off. I'm hoping that turns everything off up there. If not, I may have to come up here and hit these bathroom ones. We're going to go look and see right now. So I do believe that this is 24 volt. I'm going to just take the batteries out. But you can see I still got, there's still juice in there. So I may have to go hit a couple other ones and see if I turn that completely off. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try hitting the bedrooms. I'll try this one first. I might as well just do all 3, right? I might as well just turn them all off. Let's go back up there and see if that worked. Get up here because the lights should be out. Yeah, the light's out. So let's take a look and see what's going on. All right, so this is definitely off, which is good. All right, I'm gonna have to get some light up here because now I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've got some light. So what I've got to do is release all of these and this one here. So here we have this screwdriver here. So if I just put it in here like this, and then I turn it left to the left, get in here, same thing, in here, same thing. And these should all just come right undone. There we go. Now they should all just slip right out of there. And then I can unhook this and this, and we should be good. So let's see how we did. Yep, see, they're all coming out. There's the white, red. That one is still in there. So we gotta loosen that a little bit more. Now that should come right out. Okay, so we got them all out. So let's make them nice and straight. So we have all of our wires out, just like that. Okay, and you want to make sure they're not touching each other. Okay, so now all I got to do is get these screws out and then put the new one up. And that's it. We'll just hook them all together. All right, so now I've got to get my other screwdriver right here. Phillips head. Get in there and bend this up a little bit. And get that screw right out of there. And I'm hoping that the other one sets right into the same spot. We'll see. This thing is really in there. All right, so get this one over here. Put this over on this side so you guys can see. All right, we're doing it. We're getting it. We're doing it. Oh. Doing this at night because it's hot. Oh shoot, got my screwdriver. Almost there. There we go. Just got to get it out of there. Okay, that one's out, right? So now we got to get the other one out. So let's get over here. I think that one's done. Close. Okay, I don't want this to fall, so I'm gonna grab it. And then this, just pull it right out. Bam, done. Right now we've got to put a new one on there. So we want to have that going through there. And then hopefully these will work. Cross your fingers. So here we go. We're going to get all these through here. Just like that. Then we'll find that little hole. And guess what? They perfectly line up. How do you like those apples? That's pretty amazing, right? So let me get this one just started. Right? And there we go. Just gonna get it started like that. And then we'll worry about that. Get a smaller screw is what I'll get. All right, we'll try this screw here. See if I can get it to work. That seems to be better. It's pushing it away. Bam, I think that's it. I think we're good. All right, now we've got to get these in the right little things. So first, we'll do the white. So I'm going to spread them out, all right, for where they're going. All right, so the first one we want to get in there is the white. So the white's going to go on the very top right there. So this is white right here, this first one, okay? So we're going to go ahead, we're going to bend these this way, and then we're going to take the white, and we're going to shove it into that hole right there. Follow me? All the way in, like that. Right now, what I got to do, push it in and tighten it down. Shit. Get it in there, tighten it down. And you give it a little tug like this to make sure that it's in. Okay, next, we got to get our red in. And the red's going to go right into this one here. So I got to loosen it, right? So let's loosen it. And then we're going to shove it in there. See if we can get it in there with this thing here. Okay, it's in. So now I got to tighten it down. Nice and tight. Give it a little tug, make sure it's in. Bam, in. Right, so far so good, right? Now we got to go to yellow. Yellow's going into this one here. So I'm going to shove it in there. Oh, I guess I got to loosen it first. I got it loose, so it should go in. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Shit. Let me turn this. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm shoving this down in there like that. All right. And we get under here and tighten it down. All right, there we go. Now all we got left is the green. And green has to go into right here. This second one's green. Let's bend it and let's shove it in there. So you guys can see it. Oh, jeez. So hard. There we go. Oh, I think I might have to loosen it a bit. And then tighten it. All right, so I got the yellow in the yellow, I got the green in the green, I got the red in the red, and I got the white in the white. Now I've got to kind of like smush these down like this without knocking them out of there. See, this one might have come out. I don't know, is that one in there? Because this has to be pushed in so that I can put the cover on. So these are in. Let's see how the white kind of came out. See the white? So I got to push that white in there. May have to use needle nose pliers to do it. Oh, it might be in there. Could be in. All right, so that looks pretty good. The white I'm a little worried about. I think I'm going to push the white in a little tighter. Let me get in here. Get the white in there. Farther in. There we go. Now I got white in there. You see that? Tighten it down. Yeah, like that. All right, now we're good. Also, this is electric and that's gas. So you want to mush this over to electric. Okay? So now I got to go downstairs and we're going to turn on all of the breakers. Okay? I think we got it on there. We're looking pretty good. Then we got to pull this out and then do that. So let's go see. Let's go turn the breakers on. All right, so here we are. And we're just going to turn everything on. It's all on now. So let's go see what happens. Oh my God. Cross your fingers. Okay, so the light's on, that's good. So now, the next step is I've got to do the batteries. So batteries, I got to pull this out. I think they should be good because they came with this. Just put them in like that. And then let's go ahead and put our thing on. Look at that. Close it. Open her up. Got it on auto, got it on cool. Let's go ahead and bring it down to about 76. All right, so we got, that worked. I can already hear it, it just came on. So I think we fixed it. Whew, so happy. Look how hot it is up here. Oh my God, it's so hot here. We're in Florida and it is a nightmare. But we did get it fixed. We fixed it. All right, let's go out and see if the compressor's working. Oh, oh, daddy likes. Get out of there, get out of there. Mr. Lee. Oh well, check him out. But look at that, it's working. It's working, woo, thank God. All right, so we're already down 1 degree. And oh, I feel the cold air. Oh, that sweet cold air coming out of there. Oh yeah, brand new, love it. Peace. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos where I do stuff like this that I've never done before, but I'm gonna do it anyway because if I can do it, so can you. Peace out.